Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this tutorial. Today, I'll be showing you how to make a wall sweep or trim in Revit. I will be using Autodesk Revit 2019 for this assignment. For this tutorial, this tutorial is actually an assignment for me for my class that I'm taking, Architecture 290, or you can say BIM 2. My name is Eddie, and I will help you to know how to do something that looks exactly like this or similar to this. I have this wall sweep that I've selected going around the entire structure. And I have this wall looking like that, and it goes even around this curved wall, this part of the curved wall right here, as you can see. um and it's kind of like a seamless thing, so it goes around really nice. Let me zoom out on this and move it, show you it from the bottom and see how it is. There you go. Yep. So the first thing I'll show you, I'll ask you uh, to do is to build your wall or whatever it is that you have built, and then you create a component, choose what kind of model you want to make it, you want to let it be. Mine will be a generic model. You pick a path. After picking a path, you will draw your lines or your trim shape as you desire, and then you will finish it. So that's kind of like a summary of what I'm gonna do. So first thing to do is I'll create a new project for this. And so let me see what I was doing one more time. Yeah, project, yeah. And okay. All right, so this is the new thing I'm gonna do. I have my wall. I'll build my wall. I'm gonna make it say 50 by 80. Right, so I go down 50 feet and I go this way, say 80 feet, and go up again 50 and then back 80. If I show you this in 3D, the wall looks really short. It's like there's nothing here. So I'm gonna make it about, let's say, about 10 feet. Um, I'll select all the walls in the entire project. I will make it unconnected so that it's not really defined. And then let's say 10 feet. Yep. If you go to the 3D, you will see it right there. There we go. Now I want this wall and that wall to look a little different from the regular thing. So what I'll do is I'll, let's say, pick this wall and click on edit profile, edit profile. I'll cancel. Um, yeah, this wall, edit profile. Let's say, yeah, that view is just perfect. I have it set. I'm going to delete this wall and then build and create a new one over there. Uh, since this is my 50 feet, I'll come here, let's say 15 feet. I'll switch what kind of wall I want to use and make that, let's say 20 feet. All right. Oh, sorry, 20 feet. It means that I'm going to have about 15 feet left at the end. I'll make this the radius for this curved wall to be, let's say, 12 foot. All right, 12 feet right here. And then I'll finish off my wall by bringing it to the end of it right here. There we go. And if I click on this, it will have my wall all done. There you go. Perfect. Now let's say the other wall from the front here, and edit profile. Click on that, delete it. Let me get rid of this view. Wall, once again, 15 feet. Oh, just like before, right there, spot on. Come here, about 20 feet. Make the curve about 12 feet for the radius, and then finish your wall by going to the end of it again, 15 feet. Perfect. click on the green check mark, and then you are done. You have your walls in place. All right. Now the next I'm gonna do is to set the path for my wall. Okay. I will start from this end and then go round. Okay. So the first thing to do is you come click on component and architecture, the component model in place. Like I said in the beginning, you click on generic. I'll make mine in generic models. Let's say wall sweep or trim. Okay, and I'll click on sweep. I cannot do it much right now, as you can see. So what I have to do is to pick a path where I want my sweep to start. Click here, and I say I want it to go all around. Okay, if you notice this, the wall ends, so I have to click on this side to make sure that all the lines are meeting, and then we don't have a break in any of the lines. And note that I'm also doing this on the face of the wall where I want the sweep to be. So if you want it to be on the inside part of your wall or the interior part of the wall, you make sure you do that there. I want mine to be on the exterior part of this wall. Same, and then finish off the end right here, and then we're done. Then I can click on the green check mark, and now I can go edit profile. Now I want my trim to look I want to have two curves. That's what I have in mind right now. I'll make it 6 inches, go down, let's say 2 inches, and 1 inch, and then another 1 inch. These two lines that I've drawn here, I will delete them later because I'll put in another curved line right between these points. But I'll just keep them there for the meantime. Let's say I'm going to go down about 8 inches, right? 8 inches. And you have that right there. So is that 8? Yep, 8 inches, perfect. I come this way, let's say about, so yep, it's about 2 inches, and then about 3 inches this way. It's not too bad. And then let's say 1 inch, 1 inch. All right. Now to the curved lines that I said I would do, I will draw this to this point. I may have to change the appearance of these curved lines um, later. But let's get there first. Okay. Now this is only good, so I'm gonna change this one, like I said, from here to this point, and let's say I'll make it look maybe something wider than that. So I'm gonna remove this line. Um, you make your trim or your sweep look whatever way you want it to look, whatever way suits you best, and you do just that. Now I want mine to look something like this. This looks good for me. Also, I'm going to end this right here. You can add some style to it if you want, and then let's say this is 2 inches, right? So um let's say come in here. I just want to create something a little bit different. All right, let's say, yeah, do something like that. Not bad. I want to get rid of these lines and make it look a little bit weird. Yeah, but yeah. And then I click on this, and then I click on it again, and then it has my sweep going around the entire model. There you go. I can finish the model, and it's done. There you go. Let me add some color to this. Now you can see it better. There we go. This is better. So yeah, I have it coming this way, coming that way. Whichever way works best for you, you can just do it that way. And if you want to see it from the curved wall side, here we go. You can see that just here. Yep, and this is all I have for you today. Thanks for tuning in. Leave your comments down below and have a good day.